think about was a beetroot soup.
That your brain starts to disconnect. You are a cowboy and you are following, I don't know, some Indians.
Hey! Come on!
I often get like a very nice feeling, like wow.
I mean, there's the reflex thoughts like, don't fall.
On a race, you think about being the first, of course, like you want to win the race. So to put yourself on the situation.
I don't care about, running under the snow, under the rain. It's just finding myself and my friends and the good location.
Yeah, when you are running, it's to play, it's to enjoy, it's to be a kid again.
I want to feel that it's natural, that it makes me secure.
To trust this equipment, to know that it do the work.